Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Serena and today we are going to be doing a 5-minute energy reset. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by rubbing our palms together. And what this does actually is this activates our energy centers in our hands. So we actually have chakras in our hands and our feet as well. These are called our palm chakras. And so rubbing them together kind of wakes them up and activates them a little bit. And we're going to be using our hands today in order to reset our own energy. So it's very important to kind of rub your hands together and to feel that energy. I just saw a hummingbird. That's so beautiful. And so what you can do with this, you might feel tingling in the palm of your hand. You might feel like magnetism. You can actually press your palms together and like not all the way together. So you'll see I leave a little bit of space and just kind of play with that because you'll feel almost like a magnet where, you know, when you push two magnets together and they don't want to touch, that's what it feels like. So all my people that are very sensitive to energy, you'll be able to feel that there is like almost a repulsion that goes on when we do this. It's so crazy. It's amazing. Human body, man. It's fantastic. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start with our feet. So what we're doing here is we're just placing one hand underneath our foot and one hand on top. So almost making like a sandwich with our hands and our feet. And so what we're doing here is we're activating this energy. And so if you'd like to, you can kind of soften your gaze or close your eyes and just feel that same tingling energy. And so I want you to imagine the energy almost as gray smoke being pulled out from the top of your foot as well as the bottom, and that going into your hands. So any energy that is not supportive for you, that is not best for you, is coming out of your feet and going into your hands. Beautiful. And then we're going to do the other foot, but in between each one, we're going to rub our hands together, which is going to clear that energy again. So we're going to rub our hands together, and that is going to clear the energy that we just took out of our feet. And you may feel this, like this foot already feels lighter. So it's so crazy how this works. So that is going to clear the energy back out of our feet. It's going to reactivate our hand chakras, and then we're going to do the same thing with the other foot. So now this is my left foot, so I'm going to make a sandwich with my left foot, and we are going to visualize the energy coming out of our feet into our hands. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. You might get a couple twitches. Sometimes my feet and my legs twitch when I'm clearing my energy. This is good. This just means it's moving through different blockages and things like that. Beautiful. Okay, so you can let go of your feet. We're going to rub our hands together again. And then we're going to place our hands at our pelvis, like the bottom of our pelvis, and then behind us near our tailbone. And this is going to be for our root chakra. So even you can just sit on your hands if that's most comfortable and most supportive for you as well. But we're going to do the same thing on our root chakra. We're going to imagine that negative energy coming out like smoke into our hands. And just allow whatever needs to come out to come out. A lot of times the root chakra is associated with fear and safety. So a good mantra for this one is, I am safe. And then imagine any negative energy coming out into your hands. And I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. Beautiful. And we're going to clear that. We're going to rub our hands together again. And now we're going to be moving to the sacral chakra. So this is around our womb space. So the lower belly and then the lower back. And the second chakra is all about, creativity. It's about that life force energy. The womb is where life is made. So it's about creation and creativity. And you can use a mantra for this one as well. Maybe I am creative. Or I am full of life. Just imagine that negative energy, anything that needs to be cleared coming out from either side into your hands. Beautiful. You can let go and clear that with our hands. And now we're going to move to the solar plexus, which is just right above the belly button and again in the middle back. And imagine that smoke coming out right into your hands. The solar plexus is known for our personal power, our confidence, our fire. So maybe a good mantra for the solar plexus is, I am enough, or I am powerful. Find one that resonates for you. And just repeat that in your head as you imagine the energy coming out. Beautiful. And then we can let go. Now we're going to move to the heart chakra, which, pardon me for my microphone, about the breastbone area and the high back. If you can't get it from going behind like this, you can try and go up and over if that works better for you. But if you don't get it right on, it's okay. And imagine that energy coming out like smoke, gathering in your palm chakras. And the heart chakra is known for love, kindness, compassion. Maybe our mantra is, I love myself, or I am compassionate. Feel that energy coming out, creating so much space within. Beautiful. You can let go. And just so you guys know, if you need to stay on any one energy center or chakra point longer than the others, that's totally okay. You can always catch up with us. So rub our hands together. Now we're moving to the throat. So I'm going to put one hand on the front here, kind of in between these two, where you have this little dip in your neck. One on the front, and then I'm going to put one on the back. So our throat chakra is all about expression, right? Maybe a good mantra as we're releasing the negative energy is, I am truthful, or I speak my truth. And feeling that energy as it clears out of your body and into your palm chakras. Allowing whatever no longer serves to be released. Beautiful. We'll rub our hands together. Then we're going to move to the third eye. So this is right between the brow bones, a little bit up above, kind of near the forehead. And we're going to go behind as well. Allow what energy needs to release to release. Third eye, about connecting to that intuition, about seeing clearly things as they are, not as we think they are. So maybe your mantra is, I am clear, or I am intuitive. Repeat that to yourself as you're releasing all of this energy. Beautiful. And you can release. And last but not least, she will do one more after this one too. Okay, so let's do the top of the head. We're just to place both hands on the top of the head. And our crown chakra is responsible for connecting us to the divine and really opening up that connection to our higher self, to our highest timeline, to our best interests, to the world of divinity. And just imagine any blockages going into the chakra system of the hands. And breathe it out. Beautiful. And you can release. And then we're going to rub our hands together one more time. We're going to clear our hands as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to rub, and then we're just going to hold our own hand. And close your eyes. And imagine anything that needs to be cleared within your entire body, feet to the tip of the heads, coming out in between your hands now. And anything that might be in the palm chakras coming out now. The palm is responsible for giving and receiving. Our left hand is our receiving center, and our right hand is our giving center. So notice where you might feel any blockages in both of these places, and allow that to just be pulled out. Beautiful. And as you feel the energy build there, we're going to open our hands up to the sky and call on our higher self to just release whatever might come up. And from here you can envision all of this negative energy, all of this smoke coming out of the palm chakras. Beautiful. Let it all go. What no longer serves, let it all go. Beautiful. And then we're just going to clap our hands 3 times. And so the reason why we clap is because clapping actually is one of the best ways to clear energy. Clapping and laughing are 2 of the best energetic clearers. And you'll notice this if you walk into a room and somebody's laughing, and it can kind of get under people's skin and irritate them. And those people that are of, may have some sort of energetic blockage in them, a lot of times will get angry, or they'll have to get up and leave the room. So if you ever are in a pinch and need to clear energy quick, clap your hand 3 times and it just clears the energy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. You can replay this video anytime that you feel that your energy centers are blocked, anytime that you feel that you just need a quick energetic reset. That is exactly what this video is for. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to like, subscribe down below, all of that good stuff. And with that being said, thank you. Big love, Serena.